Want to make a Kusama-inspired paper pumpkin? Yayoi Kusama has always been interested in pumpkins and their shape, colour and feel. When she was little, her family ran a plant nursery and farmed seeds for kabocha, a type of Japanese squash or pumpkin. When she was growing up, she started having visions of everything around her covered in dots. Her endless repetition of dots links to a feeling of infinity. She's made pumpkins, which are enormous sculptures filling entire rooms, as well as prints in all different colours. To make your paper pumpkin, this is what you're going to need. Some different coloured sheets of A4 paper. We used yellow for the pumpkin, as well as green. Scissors, a black marker, glue stick. First, fold your paper 3 times. Now cut it into strips. If you want to make your pumpkin patterned like Kusama's, it's time to add your design on one side of the strips. You could use dots, or try something else that you like. Start with 2 strips in a cross shape, then keep adding more until you get to this. Start gluing the tops of the pieces of paper together with your design on the outside. Now we're going to add a stalk. Attach it to the top of your pumpkin. Then we'll add a curly vine. And there you have your Kusama-inspired paper pumpkin.